Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC in this 2008 BMW 328i. If this video is helpful, can you smash the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. Also, I'll have Amazon links in the description below. First thing we're going to do is start our vehicle. Then we're going to turn our temperature all the way to the coldest setting in both sides. Turn on max AC with recirculation on, and then pop the hood. Now right here is your low pressure port. So we're going to take this cap off, set it someplace safe. Then we're going to take our AC recharge hose, and you'll just push it on there and it'll kind of snap down. You'll hear it like that. And you're going to look at the gauge here. You can see how it's all the way down in the low right here. So we're going to squeeze the trigger and oscillate our can between 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock. That's just going to allow the compressor to draw in the refrigerant. And we'll just check our pressure. So a lot of times you'll see the needle kind of go up, and then the compressor will kick on and the needle will draw down. And sometimes when it gets down too low, the compressor pops off and the needle travels back up. So what you want to do is you want to fill it until it's consistently right in the green and the needle just stays in the same spot, kind of like it is, only you want it to be in the green portion of the gauge. So squeeze our trigger, oscillate our can. Just like that. See, we've made some progress there. Just keep doing this until it's consistently up in the middle of the green there. How many cans you'll need depends on how low your system is. I just changed this whole front end, and so mine's pretty empty. I'm going to keep filling, and it's probably going to take 5 minutes. So I'm just going to end it right here. You can see what needs to be done, where the port is, and how to fill it. And you just want to fill it until that needle is right up here at the top of the green. So if you found this video helpful, smash the thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want, check out those Amazon affiliate links down in the description below.